Gonna finger look so pretty.
I don't
Pretty, yeah, pretty, yeah, pretty.
Gwaan again, here it is. We're there, back with the next vlog. First thing I want to say, Merry Christmas to everybody who celebrate Christmas. I don't know say everybody celebrate Christmas. So all who celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when you come, and hope next year can be better than this year. Yeah. Today basically I'm gonna do jerk some chicken, not some pieces what I have, and I glaze it with a sorrel sauce. Right? Yeah, so look out for the one here. And remember, like the video, leave a comment and tell me what you think about the video, and also share it out. Let other people know about the channel and join the movement, guys. I always say we are family, to just subscribe and join the movement. So I'll jump right in the video now. Alright guys, this chicken here guys, well seasoned from yesterday and a marinade. I don't know say I run up onion, scallion, thyme, garlic and everything, and everything on it. You go and marinate ginger and everything, right? Semi sorrel, I like do. I use about half of it, right? So this I use, I make the sauce, homemade style. Yeah. So when the fire doesn't catch up, we just throw on the chicken on the grill. And guys, I forgot one thing, the beer. But I buy a sorrel beer now. We use an ideal chicken, but I forgot that. Alright guys, some Alex fire. The fire after the sorrel. So look it decent and good. Alright, it's alright. So and start the fire here, you know. Alright guys, so put on the chicken now on the fire. You go and do your thing, chicken fire ready. See what going guys? See season on it? Nice. Guys, so sorrel time now, you know. Get it washed off. In the meantime, till the fire will get up heat. So now watch what I do. I'll just boil it. Then straight it off and put on the sugar back again. See like how we do jam. But now put nothing nice to thicken it up. Make it thick up on the one. Watch that good enough guys. Blend up. Is it? I think I have ginger also. I put it night also. So you can get some more flavor from the ginger. Yeah. The ginger you know. Not much. I want the slight taste. I already have ginger and the chicken already, so I don't want too much. Alright. But I finally know now go on good. So I go and feed still. And then get any style to go and do the thing. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm gonna kind of fork, you know. Kill the chicken, so I'll make a chef stick. There you go. sharp meat, so you can stick it in and turn it easy. Alright, take that. Hit this. Alright. Turn them, that's the one you burn up. Yeah, that's burn already. Ice them up. And put close to the fire. Yeah man guys, we have a bamboo here. Really ice it up. The run. Alright. Come here again guys. But I'm gonna say roast chicken glazed. Glazed with sorrel sauce. Alright, make that go and do it thing. Alright guys, so see what your chicken in now. This might use an hydrate chicken. You can see the thyme and the scallion and everything. Use it back on chicken. Can I say I never remember the beer. Onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, pepper, ginger, pimento, a bit of sugar and everything. Yeah, this. Remember say, if you like the video, leave a comment and share it out, isn't me? And subscribe if you don't subscribe it. And also watch the ads, because I don't know say that's how I make a revenue. Sometimes ads them long, yes. So watch as much as possible. I say that's how I make a revenue. Yeah man guys, so you see it? You are going now. Sorry, don't jar already. Yeah man, so sorry don't jar. So I get them out and then put them back with the sugar. See sorrel here now. Yeah. And sugar. That I'm putting in it, the sugar and thing. And the sugar caramelize and make it thick up, you know. Yeah man peeps, so I go on here now for this is sorrel. You want more sugar in it. You want more sugar in it. This now go down take up. You want more sugar in it. And see the roast chicken here. So I'm gonna do my carrot and finish it. Yeah. After that, I take up this, make it cool and throw it out in the water bucket and carry it home and just put it back on the fire. Add the night and thing. Add the sugar night and I eat that. See, sorry, just go down and want it. Yeah, I have some pull up in that because it never strain like this. Yeah. So this soon finish. Just take off and rub it on the chicken. Alright guys, so what I go in here, this is it. I'm gonna say roast chicken glazed with the sorrel sauce. Finally get it to finish. Yeah. So it look juicy and nice. So turn for taste. So guys, a nice sauce at the sorrel and the sugar. Nothing in it make it thick. No cornstarch, no flour, no ketchup, nothing. You just stick up and the one with the sugar.